Okay guys, welcome back. Someone did ask me in the comments this week if I could give a demonstration of how I operate my laminator. You know, I'm here on my own, so I wanted to know how I operated it just on my own. But today I have this little rascal with me today because it's half term, so he reckons that I can't laminate him. So that's what we're going to try today. What do you reckon? Will it work?
Yeah.
You didn't think it would earlier? Are you ready to go through the machine? Right, let's do this. Okay, Sam is all set now, so let's give this a whirl and see whether this is going to work. It's probably going to hurt, mate, if it whether it works or not. Okay, buddy, are you good to go?
Yeah.
Yeah. Make sure you keep your hands, keep everything as flat as you can. Okay, then it won't hurt so much. Right, let's do it. It's probably just going to clog up the machine. Jeez. What? It's actually doing it. Oh my gosh. I don't think his mum's going to be very pleased. Right. That is not cool. You all right, mate? Sam? Well, as you can see, we have managed to laminate my little boy, and there he is. I mean, he was quite annoying at times, I'm going to put it out there, but I didn't really want him to get squashed. If you've got any idea how to undo this, leave a comment below. I'm getting a little bit worried now. That wasn't meant to go like that. I was only joking. He wasn't actually meant to put his hand through the rollers, but he obviously has. Gonna be in a bit of trouble now. Let's go and have a look, man. I can't believe this has happened. You alright, Sam?
Yeah.
What are you doing?
That blooming hurt.
It hurt? I don't imagine it didn't. Are you okay?
Yeah.
What was it like going through there?
Painful.
Painful. Right, put it there, man. I'm glad you're okay.